Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2010 Suzuki SX4, stock reference number 4833. This shape runs from the first month 2010 through to the fourth month 2014. It has a J20B 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. J20B 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the bonnet, which has one small dent, left-hand headlight, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left front door has one small dent, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, left hand tail light, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right hand tail light, right rear 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre, right rear door has one dent, right power door mirror, and a right front 16-inch steel rim with a good tyre. With the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, single stack CD player, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise buttons, or audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.